Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Visual Studio on Windows. Go to Visual Studio installer, double click on it to open. Here you can see the Visual Studio Community Edition which is installed, which is the 2026 version. So here click on More, click on Install. You'll get a pop-up, click on OK. You will get a security prompt, give yes, and then the uninstallation will start. So the uninstallation has been started now and it is in progress. Now wait for the uninstallation to complete. It should take some time, so wait for it to complete. So now the uninstallation is complete. So this is how you can uninstall Visual Studio using Visual Studio installer. So once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to do the cleanup. For that, go to C Program Files, go to folder Microsoft Visual Studio. So we need to delete this folder. Select the folder and press delete key. Click on continue. Okay, so now the folder is deleted. Next, go to C ProgramData. So here you must see the folder Visual Studio. So we also need to delete this folder. So select the folder Visual Studio and press delete key. Click on continue. Now press Windows R and type APPDATA within percentage. Click enter. So here open folder Microsoft. Here also you must be able to find Visual Studio folder. Select the folder Visual Studio and press delete key. It is deleted now. Next press Windows R again. Type LOCALAPPDATA within percentage. Click enter. Open Microsoft folder. So here delete the two folders, Visual Studio and Visual Studio Services. Select both the folders and press delete key. Okay, so now it is deleted. So these are the cleanups we need to do post the uninstallation. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.